Yes guys, to apply for monetization you have to follow the following steps. Of course, you just open your YouTube studio as usual, and please make sure that your channel is clean. There is no any copyright restriction on your channel, right? You know that for us we already cleaned it. So you come and click on here on earn, right here, and then you see you can now apply. What you do is just click on this apply icon. Then after clicking here, you see that you can now start step 1, step 2, and step 3. So let us start this step 1, terms and conditions of YouTube. So what you need to do is to read carefully and then come and click here on accept, right here, because this is where you get terms and conditions. So we have to accept the policies of YouTube so that you can be a partner of YouTube. So you click here on accept the base terms and click accept terms. Then after, you see it's now done. Make sure that you have done here on step 1. Then the second step also, we come and click on start. Here is where we're going to sign up for AdSense for YouTube, right? So to mean that you can have it or you cannot have it. So if you have it, there is option you can use, and if you don't have it also, there is an option that you can use. So let us also start this step. We just open it, and here step 2, you will redirect to AdSense for YouTube to complete this step. So what we do for us is just to click here on this drop down icon to check for options, and then click here for no, I don't have an existing account. So if you have it, you can click yes, I have it, but for me I don't have it. That's why I should click on this one and then click continue here. Wait a little bit. Then here you need now to choose which account, right? Which account you are going to use. Yes, for me is this one. Then you choose that one and wait a little bit. Here what to do is just also to read and accept the agreement, right? And please make sure that these details are really correct, right? Your bill country territory is this one, and then your payment territory is based on your current location. Check it correctly so we can verify your account, as you can't change it later, right? Please make sure that you check your details correctly, because as you see, you can't change them after, right? So that's why you have to pay attention here. And then if you fill them correctly, you come and click on this icon, I have read and accept the agreements, then click set up account, right? But in order to keep this video short, let us stop by here. In the next video we'll continue with the second step, but please, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe it, like this video, and share this video to your colleagues. And if you have any question or idea, please let me know in the comment section. So thank you. Let us meet in the next video.